Welcome guys, welcome to my Leetcode solving section. So this is called range sum query. So basically somebody give you an integer array and you need to find the sum of the element between index I and j, knowing that it basically is inclusive. So sum range 0 to means that you sum this index from 0 to 2, the number is 1, and the sum range 2 to 5, basically 2 to 5. Let me see. So -2, -1. Yeah. So 0 to 5 is just total -3. And the problem is that this question will ask. So the key point is that the array does not change. So somebody will stupidly keep asking about the sum range. Okay. So there are many ways. The easiest way is that somebody asks you two indices, then you just compute there for each time. But there's easy ways that we can first sum over all the we can first create an array, basically sum the first element is the first is the az suppose this array called a, right? So this point can be a0, and then this will a0 plus a1, and then a0 plus a1 plus a2. So basically we just accumulate all the indices. We create a new array. So I create a new array, basically start from 1 and go to length. I just sum all the previous, and then create data. Okay, now if I is larger than 1, that means that your starting point is larger than, your starting point is not 0, right? Then you just use self j minus self I minus 1. So basically this is the same as this. And then if your I is 0, then that means you just count from 0, 1, 2 up to j minus up to j, right? So we just call it. Okay, so then this will speed up your answer. Okay, so it's very easy that you just first create an array, accumulated array, then you minus the previous. Okay, I will see you guys in the next videos, and be sure to subscribe to my channel. Thanks.